was not built in a day, probably because they didn't have the power of generative AI. Now, let's assume they had access to Gen AI. Would they be able to do it? To know if this was possible or not, we must first understand how Gen AI functions. Generative AI takes your input, breaks it into small pieces, learns what patterns usually come next, and builds a full response like a sentence, image, or sound, one piece at a time. So, let's try to generate something using Gen AI. We give it a prompt. Create a picture of a lion playing guitar on a beach. To start with, Gen AI splits our input into tokens or small units, like words or parts of words. So our prompt is split into 12 tokens. This allows the AI to process our prompt piece by piece. Each of these tokens is then converted into numbers reflecting its meaning and usage. For example, lion is numerically close to tiger, while guitar is near music. This helps AI understand words even in new sentences. Next comes attention. Attention is like reading a sentence with a highlighter. AI uses attention to figure out which words matter most and how they relate to each other. Here, it asks, "Who is playing?" and links lion to playing. Then it asks what's being played and links guitar to playing. And finally, it asks where it's happening and links on to beach. Once the AI builds a meaningful mental structure of the prompt, the AI starts creating not by imagining, but by predicting what comes next. Lion shape, guitar, beach textures based on patterns it has seen before, but never copying exactly. But the output doesn't come easily. Just like any artist, AI also has to iterate. AI repeatedly predicts the next part using previous results. One word at a time for text, one patch at a time for images, and one frame at a time for video. This ensures coherent and consistent output. Once enough is generated, the AI stops, and you see a new output. In this case, it's an image of a lion on a sunny beach, holding a guitar. Did this feel creative? Yes. Was it made out of thin air? No. Then how was it created? By clever prediction and pattern matching, which was powered by massive training data. Now, let's see what our Roman architect is up to. He is sitting in front of a computer and typing out a prompt. Build me a city so grand. Even history takes notes. So Gen AI goes back to its own training data. It refers to the Greek temples, Persian gardens, Egyptian monuments, and much more. The AI would then start building not with bricks, but by guesses. Step by step, it lays out plazas, arches, bathhouses, markets, whatever fits. It combined what it had already seen in a smart and convincing way and created a blueprint of a Roman city. Some would argue that Gen AI isn't truly original. It simply assembles borrowed ideas. But so was the blueprint of ancient Rome. Roman architects borrowed, remixed, and continually reimagined styles from other cultures. They were innovators in their own right, but just didn't call it machine learning back then. So, what do you think? Is generative AI generating new ideas, or just repackaging the old wine in a new bottle? Let us know in the comments. Like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you're looking to build a career in AI, check out our website